Hey boys and girls, welcome to another super exciting, outrageous toy review. Today, we're unboxing another Loot Gaming. Special thanks to the people at Loot Crate for sending this over so we can unbox it on camera. Oh, I like it. So if you fold the box and flip it around so it's inside out, it will look like a tank. That is awesome. Alright, so I am reaching into the box to see what we have first. First is the t-shirt. Ooh, I'm liking it. Call of Duty World War II. Pretty sweet. I like it. Next up, we've got the Loot Gaming pin for this month. November 2017's theme was Tank. Take cover! Next up, we've got the Gears of War grenade. I thought it was a flail at first. It's got like a little chain link there. Ah, nope, but it's a grenade. Ah, bad move, blowing up part of the toy room. Alright, what's next in here? We got the poster. Wolfenstein poster. That's pretty awesome. Here we get a good view. Next up, we have Big Daddy vinyl figure from Bioshock. Let's pull this guy out of here. Oh, he's awesome. Very cool. Ooh. We got a little black box. Wolfenstein 2, the new Colossus. And we've got a whistle to call the Panzerhunds. I'm expecting the kids from The Sound of Music to come in here any second now. Hansel, Lil, Gretel, get in line. Oh, and we've got another VRV $10 gift card to VRV Premium. This is a website with the newest episodes and exclusive series ad-free. It's a streaming service for cool animes and cartoons and things like that. So that's a nice bonus included in this month's box. I love it. Oh, the tank box is pretty cool. So, Loot Gaming, this time, November, tank theme, t-shirt, whistle, pin, poster, Big Daddy vinyl, the cardboard box that looks like a tank. I think that was everything. Pretty awesome box. It has been so awesome receiving these Loot Gaming and Loot Crate boxes from Loot Crate. It's really awesome that they send them to me every month so we can unbox them here on the channel. If you want to get more information on Loot Gaming, Loot Crate DX, Loot Anime, any of the other boxes they sell, go to lootcrate.com for more details. Thanks for watching this super exciting, outrageous toy review. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out our other videos.